Hey, people. Yeah, Aya Johnson again. So this is my day 21 offering for Vlogmas, but it is going to be a test. I want to try out my different mics, okay? Because there are people out there, people I respect, people who have been doing this a lot longer than me, who are telling me don't be bothered about trying to hide the mic. I'm having a hard time with that because I get it. Audio is very, very important. At the moment, I'm trying to get this look where the mic is invisible. Okay, I do actually believe at some point with certain projects you can have. I'm essentially old school filmmaker. I'm also an old school journalist. Okay, I've been more of a journalist than a filmmaker, but that's another story. Having said that, I like what I consider a film look. I don't really like a hard video look. There is a place for self-reflexivity in filmmaking where you don't pretend that it's real. You show the thing, the equipment, you show the mic, you even show lights, whatever. But for this project, especially for the project I'm calling The Africa We Want, I don't want to show my mic, okay? And I know it's risky. Okay, so I've got several mics and I want you guys to tell me how it sounds. The one you're hearing now is mic 1. I'm not going to tell you which one it is. I'm just saying I got enough mics to figure out what the best configuration is while it is out of frame. Okay, so all my mentors out there, yeah, I understand it. I know you want me to put the mic right close to me and all that kind of stuff, but I want to see if I can do it without doing that. And if it fails, then, nobody's complaining about my audio so far, right? But I'm not going to tell you which mics I'm using. So this is mic number 1. All right, mic 1. Okay, so let me know what you think of this. And by the way, I really want to thank, I forget his name, man. I'm going to find out his name right now so I can thank him because this guy did something very special. He, all of you, none of you have done. You should be ashamed of yourself, but I don't mind. It's okay. It's okay. My man has a name that I completely forget because it was kind of unusual. But I'm going to tell you what his name is in a minute. His name is... Now remember, you're just listening to the sound quality. Let me know whether it's acceptable for you guys, whether it's good enough, and you're going to compare it to 1, 2, 3 other mics. All right, and this is mic number 1. Mic number 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mic number 1. Okay, so that's mic number 1. This is mic number 1 on day 21. I'm also trying to get used to this whole idea of being on camera because normally I'm sort of behind the scenes, so I gotta be. And one thing I find is that when you are actually engaged in something else besides trying to perform from the camera, you're a lot more natural, And I've been thinking about how we learn things that are new to us, you know. So I got to deconstruct my process, right? My process of building my YouTube channel, because I have to be I got to be I am a communication consultant, so I have to teach people at some stage how this is all done. But because I haven't actually been on camera much, it's something that's quite difficult for me, you know. And strangely enough, I actually have in the past coached people to be natural on camera, yet I realize that I'm not the most natural person on camera. But it's, when I'm doing something else, this is something that actors do a lot. They figure out some kind of business, to make their performance believable and natural. So, and this is what you're seeing is me, because I'm doing something else. My performance, I hope, is much more visible, more credible. So this guy DTM runs a channel called Artist King. I really like that. Is my first and only subscriber. 21 days, you all. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. It's all good. But I really appreciate Mr. DTM. I don't know his full name anymore. But it's good to have somebody responding, Okay, so this is all mic number 1. Let me know if you think, 1 is better than 2. And I'm going to put 2 on in a minute. All right, so now I'm on mic number 2. Mic number 2, you got to compare it to mic number 1. Mic number 1. I should probably put some credits on there. I forgot to do the credits. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it in as. Can we do it on the fly? I don't think so. This is number 2. So now we're gonna go to number 3, mic number 3. Okay, I'm gonna pause. Okay, the mic you're hearing now is number 3. Mic number 3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was mic number 3. How does it compare to 1 and 2? All right, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to pause it now. Okay, so now we're on mic number 4. Please let me know what you think of this. It's kind of an interesting setup I got here. Mic number 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, which is, which is richer, which is better. I don't know. I'm gonna label them now so you all can see. 10, 9, 8, 4, mic 4, mic 4. This is part B of the test. I'm wearing the Tate hat, so you can know the difference. This is mic 4 right now, okay? Mic 4, part B. Mic 4, part B. I've done something slightly different, but it's the same mic, same position, all right? And now I'm going to go to mic 3, okay? All right, this is mic 3, going on mic 3. Slightly different deal here. Slightly different deal for mic 3. Interesting. levels are not just mic 3, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is mic 2. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mic 2. Mic 2. And this is mic 1. No, that's not mic 1. Okay, guys, this is mic 1. Testing mic 1, testing mic 1. Let me know what this sounds like. Okay, in terms of room noise, tonality, loudness, clarity, all the good things that make good sound, whatever you think those are. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I look forward to your comments in the comments.